Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to use live text with images or photo on your iPhone. It's very simple. You can scan any image, text content, and you can convert very easily. So how to do it and what is the advantage? Let's start as a digital demonstration in mobile screen. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So let's start as a mobile screen. So let's start as a demonstration. Now you just simply open here camera application and look at this in my screen. This is an image, and now I just simply select this one. Look at this. I just simply select this text and then press here the portion yellow screen here, and look at this, all text are come here, and you can convert the text like select all text, and you can copy all text as well as you can translate those text if some another language the text is available, and then some other features also available. You can copy specific text also even, and some speak and share options also available. You can share very easily wherever you want. And second thing, suppose for example this is my blog, and now I want convert this block as a text format and copy in my mobile. So I just simply scroll down here and select the proper block, and look at this entire block as automatically capture as a image format. I can select entire text and I can copy where to where exactly, and just simply copy this text, and you can send of anywhere. Suppose for example I open here note, and then I can paste here. So my entire block are paste here. I can edit, modify whatever I want exactly. I can do anything for the particular text. It's very simple tips and tricks for the live text scenario. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.